Okay, this is a quick review of the Marble Spaceport by ROKR. Package looks like that. This is a good build. It went together pretty easily. The instructions were very good. I don't remember any breakages on this one. ROKR's done a really great job of making some parts thicker so they're less likely to break, and they're also very good about including some extra parts in case there are breakages. You can see it jammed a little bit there, so you kind of have to work the thing there. It does that occasionally. It hasn't been real bad with it, but there's a couple little places where the hiccups, and I had to make some adjustments on the little structures to make sure they would flow the way they're supposed to. But for the most part, you get usually several minutes of operation before there's any kind of real problem. Down here, on this other side here, there's a little piece there that was popping off, but I replaced it with a new one. It seems to be holding much better. But when you get those areas where it accidentally freezes up there, it can put a little stress here and try to kind of pop it apart a little bit. Sometimes I put a little clamp there to make sure it holds together. But that's really the only serious problem it has. Occasionally here there'll be a little bit of a hiccup where they won't dump quite right, and they'll kind of build up there, like that guy kind of landed in the middle and really shouldn't have, so that might affect. Yeah, I did pretty good that time. But yeah, so you can see the operation's really pretty smooth. You know, if I had to build something like this myself, one, it would never get done, and even though there's some hiccups, I've seen professional ones at museums that have issues where balls fall off and other stuff, so I can't really blame them for that. I would say it's a really great product, and it's a very good marble one to start out with if you want to build something of this scale and size, because it is pretty big. It took me probably maybe 10 hours to complete altogether, just doing an hour or two at a time, maybe a half hour to an hour at a time, honestly. This one actually can be combined with the this guy here, the Marble Night City, which I'm going to do next, and I'll do a video. It is joined with another kit with right here, the Marble Run link pack that you get. It actually puts some gearing between the two so that they'll run together there. There's also some LED lights in that kit. I will link the description both where you can purchase this at, and if I have any other notes about the build, I'll put that in the description as well. And please like and subscribe, and I hope you have fun building your own someday.